yazi le culture leyo yokusabawela has created ama-prostitute kule country. Le culture yokusabawela le hayi yenze ifebe, yenze abantu baba onondini onodashaza oseqhamuka gqosika amabhilidi. Just imagine umngani wakho, your female friend, athi aposte KFC athi bought by my man. Aphendule omunye intombazane athi where did you get that man? Hey, sekakuvakashela the most manje intombazane, sekakuvakashela manje all of a sudden seka your best friend and lo mngani lo nihlangane ekayikaya, you're not even that close. Just because when uloku postile uthi indoda yakho ikuthengele inani sekathi zakuvakashela, safuna ukubona le ndoda ekuthengela izinto and banganakanga ntombazana, indoda yakho izowela. Bakabona umntwana unfresh, lo mntwana lo naye uzovula lahlela amanamba kule ndoda, athi hayi ngeke ungisize nga-something emshashaya nini. Seka-invite indoda yakhe endlini la ahlala khona, or indoda yakho sebahlangana ema-B&B. That's how they take your man, yabona. And manje yena akazange intention yokuthi uthande le ndoda, uzeluzorhosha uzothengisa umzimba. And a job to sell a body to your man. Kanti your man is a client to your friend, yabona. Indoda yakho manje sekuzela ngama-issues, sokunesikhathi manje indoda yakhe sengakuthengeli izinto adijwayele ukukuthengela zona, anisahambi like you used to because of le ntombazane yakho eyomarhosha ethengisa umzimba, ethengisela your man umzimba. And manje so there comes a time la indoda yakho manje sengalali nawe, sengasakuthinti, ufuna ubone ukuthi hayi man khona omunye la. And uthola ukuthi le friend yakho inekuku etight undlule yakho, yakhe i-tight to the quality, to yakho nje yi-normal, khona mekuku awufani phela, to yakhe i-tight and umnikazi zonke iy'tayela. Phela akekho umuntu okwazi ukunelisa umuntu wesilisa njengesifebe. Yabona iy'febe, iy'febe zawuthola umshado, yabona iy'febe zawuthola umshado. Iy'febe yizona ey'shadwa the most because bafrenda indoda izichame, bafrenda indoda izichame. Ayikho umuntu okwazi ukujabulisa umuntu njengesifebe. Yabona isifebe sazi indoda in and out, siyazi ukuthi kumele athintephi ukuthi ajabule. Isifebe bakwazi ukusinika 1.5 ungagolozwanga, mara kuwo bakugolozela bathi hayi baby not this time, not this month, ebephethe 10,000 ne-account, mara uthintwa isifebenyana nje esinekuku etight, uvula ikhiphe manje imali echama, sometimes nokuchama ngangayifaki. Hey madoda, girls, be careful girls, because even alabantu bashadile kumele be careful. Imali yabantwana idliwa yifebe, iy'febe ezinamakuku atight, sometimes abanawo amakuku atight just because bakwazi ukuminca ikuku ukuthi indoda ichame strong. Amadoda ethanda lezi ngqa lezi abazibona lapho ku-social media, bavele badiyeme labo chiri. Sometimes yiwo amajita adiyema labo chiri bathi hayi how much, ubona indoda yake ikhomenta ithi how much. Why lo mthola mahala omkhiphela iy'nkomo, what about yena? So busy manje ney'febe manje, hayi amajita yiwona athanda ukuspend imali, yiwona encourage le culture le yobufebe, encourage le life yobu-prostitutes. If amadoda bawangikhipha imali ingabe ayikho le culture yobu-prostitute in this country. This Sabaw culture has created prostitutes. I'm telling you, this Sabaw culture has created prostitutes. I'm telling you. Ngiyakuxelela, ngiyakutshela. Women have become prostitutes now because babona abangani babo bethengelwa izinto, bona bavele amadoda abo bavele balala nawo emikhukhwini, kuthiwa ngokuhambe sisi, bebaceda ukuba mchamisa avele agcoka uhambe sisi. Ngiyabona this culture le hayi Sabawell imosha konke, and ne-president naye nabanye ama-ministers iningi ba-encourage this culture le yama-slave queen, the biggest funders of ama-slave, even ama-Nigerian. That's why ama-South African women athanda ama-Nigerian. That's why Nigerian men won't leave this country, because they're getting support from our South African women. You wanna support the movement. I've never seen Saint Bucci posting a video saying Nigerians should go. It's because uyabenefita kule nto financial, uyabenefita. Without this Nigerian, Saint Bucci is nothing, is talented nje. It's just a useless influencer. Hi, I don't like Saint Bucci, guys. Angifuni ukusho uqamamanga, angimthanda, angimpiwanga. I'm not giving Saint Bucci. Namaphela amaningi athi mncane kabi, ngemncane kunami, mncane, ngamshachame. Saint Bucci ngamshaya squid, echame strong. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on don't forget to subscribe and like the video, guys. Share it to many people as possible. More videos are coming, more topic, exciting topic, and I'll be shooting videos with other people now. Yes.